Hello students, it's good afternoon, and today's topic is RNS equation. Yesterday, before video I have told you about RNS equation. This RNS equation is very important for theory exam. Theory exam they will ask what is RNS equation and what are the terms present in the RNS equation. So this is RNS equation. K is equal to A e power minus E by RT. Okay. In this RNS equation gives a relationship between rate constant and temperature. It is a quantitative relationship between rate constant and temperature. According to RNS, RNS says that if the temperature increases, the fraction of molecule, this part E minus Ea by RT, this part is called fraction of molecule. Okay. So fraction of molecules increases. This fraction of molecules having energy greater than activation energy, and they collide with effective collision, and that's why rate of the reaction increases. So this RNS equation gives a relationship between rate constant and temperature. So here, so if you see the graph here for this equation, rate constant versus temperature, the graph is going increases. The rate constant value is increases, but how it is increases? Exponentially increases. So here it is in exponentially, it is increases 1 by T. Here this is a temperature. If temperature is increases, rate constant also increases. How it is increases? Exponentially. This question has asked in JM in 2010. The question was 4 graphs they have given, and what was the question? Plots showing the variation of the rate constant K with temperature T are given below. The plot that follows RNS equation is. So 4 graphs they have given, and question asks which graph shows RNS equation. So which graph shows here? The option D. This graph shows RNS equation. Option D was the correct option. So remember this point. According to RNS, rate constant increases with increase in temperature, but how it is increases? Exponentially increases. Okay. So, and what are the terms present in it? This K is rate constant, A is RNS frequency factor or pre-exponential factor, Ea is activation energy, and R is gas constant, whose value is 8.314 joule per mole per Kelvin. Gas constant value, and T is what? Absolute temperature. Okay. So this is RNS equation. And now according to RNS equation, increase in temperature. If we increase the temperature, the fraction of molecule increases. Fraction of molecule, it is increases. This fraction of molecule having energy more than the activation energy, and they collide, and that's why the rate is increases. So now see here, these questions for 2 marks it will come in theory. Write RNS equation and write the terms present in it. This graph will not come in theory. Okay, this graph they have asked in IIT 2010. Okay. Okay, so come to this equation, RNS equation. If I take log both the side to this equation, that is ln K is equal to ln A, inside the bracket ln A E minus Ea by RT. Ln means what? Natural logarithm, means log base E. Log to the base E, it is ln, natural logarithm it is called. So ln K is equal to ln A plus ln A B. What it is formula? We have ln A B, ln A plus ln B. Okay. So here it is ln E minus EA by RT. Now it will solve here again. This is ln K, ln A. This minus EA by RT, it will come down. So it becomes what? Minus EA by RT ln E. Now we know it, ln E is equal to what? How much? 1. So this will get cancelled and we will get here what? Ln K is equal to ln A minus EA by RT. This equation, if I write like this, ln K is equal to minus EA by RT plus ln A. This equation. Okay. Again I write here, see here, ln K is equal to minus EA by RT, EA by 1 by T. Plus ln A. See this equation, this is looks like y is equal to mx plus c. M is what here? Slope. Now we can plot the graph by using this equation. How the graph will come? The graph is, this is ln K on y axis and m is our slope, and how the slope is? Negative slope, and at x axis what we have? 1 by t, and the slope is what? Negative here, and intercept is what here? ln A. This is intercept, and how much it is? ln A. Okay, and what will be our slope then? The slope is equal to minus EA by R. Minus EA by R. This is our slope. Okay. So this slope is how? Negative slope, minus EA by R. By using this slope, we can find out the activation energy. So EA is equal to what it will be? R into slope. So by using this one, we can find out the EA value by using this graph. Okay, this graph is given in NCERT textbook for RNS equation. If so, just we have to simplify here. So once again, see here, this is RNS equation. K is equal to A e to the power minus EA by RT, and if you take log on both the sides, what we will have? ln K is equal to ln A e minus EA by RT. ln A plus we have to do it. Then this minus EA by RT will come here, and after finalize we will get this one. ln K is equal to minus EA by R 1 by T plus ln A. So we can plot the graph for this one. This ln K on y-axis and this 1 by T on x-axis. Our slope is what here? Negative slope. And what is the value of slope? Minus EA by R. So EA is equal to R into slope. So by using this equation and by using this graph, we can find out the EA value, activation energy value. Okay. So next, if for the same reaction, now this equation we want to convert into log 10. This is ln K means log to the base E. Now we want to convert into the log 10 value. So ln it is equal to, if you want to convert, we have to multiply with 2.303 log 10. Okay. Any ln value, ln A value or any ln whatever it is. So it's, we want to convert means just we have to multiply with 2.303 log 10. So just here multiply with 2.303 log K is equal to minus EA upon, or just I will write reverse here. So it is 2.303 303 log A minus EA by RT. Okay. Now for this equation, if both 2.303 is there, this equation number suppose 1, just divide equation 1 by 2.303. Okay, so when we divide this equation with 2.303, we will get what? 2.303 log K divided by 2.303 is equal to 2.303 divided by 2.303 log A minus EA divided by 2.303 RT. Okay, so this 2.3, 2.3, 2.3, 2.3 cancel. What we will get here? We get here log K is equal to, here we have log A minus EA by RT. So this log to the base 10, log to the base 10 no need to write, just we can write log K also. Okay, so we have got this value here. Log K is equal to log A minus EA by RT. Just I am writing this equation in this way: minus EA by R 1 by T plus log A. Okay, so this equation see here. So we got the same how we got for ln K is equal to minus EA by R T plus ln A. The same we have, just we have come here log K. Log, we are converting into what here? Log to the base 10. So this is equal to y is equal to mx plus c. Y is equal to mx plus c. So we can plot the graph for this one also. The same graph it will come here. On y-axis, what we will get here? Log k. Before this we got what? ln k. And on x-axis what we have here? 1 by t. And what is the slope here? Minus EA by here 2.303 R will come. 2.303 R. That time we have got minus EA by R. Now here we have minus EA by 2.303 R. So slope is what here? Negative. So line will come here like this way. And what is this one? This is log A. Intercept is what here? Log A. And the slope is equal to minus EA by 2.303. This 1 by T, it is on x-axis. 1 by T on what? X-axis. Okay. So same graph here. We want EA value, activation energy value. So what formula it will be? Slope into .303 into R. Okay. So we will get this formula here to find out the EA value. If they have give graph for you and find out the activation energy, then we can use this formula. EA is equal to slope into 2.303 into R. Understood? Okay. So based on this graph, we can solve one problem. So they have given in question graph. And here value given 60 degree and y-axis K, x-axis x-axis 1 by T Question is find EA value. Find EA value. So how we can find the EA value? By this, they are given these values. Find EA. What formula we can use it? See here, this is our 60 degree Celsius they have given here. What is our formula? This is K and this is 1 by T. What is slope we have here? Slope is equal to, this is log K. Log K. So log K means what formula we have? Slope is equal to minus EA divided by 2.303 R. Yes sir. So we have to find out EA. What is slope here but now? Tan theta. Tan theta which one will take? This one? No. We have to take this positive. Positive. So this is 60. So how much it will be? 120. Together it is 180. So this is tan theta. How much we got? 120. So formula is what here? Slope is equal to, so here it will come what? How much? Tan 120 is equal to minus EA divided by 2.303. What is R value? 8.314. So tan 120 value how much we have? Minus root 3 is equal to minus EA divided by 2.303 into 8.314. So minus minus cancel. EA is equal to root 3 into 2.303 into 8.314. So whatever value it will come here, it will come in joule per mole. Okay. So find out how much value it has come. That is only your answer. So they can ask question like this way in competitive exam. This question it will come only in competitive exam. Theory exam they will not ask anything. Theory exam just they can ask for RNS equation. What is RNS equation and what are the terms present in it. And before this what I have drawn graph. Based on that graph they can ask 1 mark question. Write the graph for the RNS equation. Then that graph you can ask, this graph you can write for the RNS equation. Okay. So next we have got this equation ln K is equal to minus EA by R T plus log A. Okay. This is one step of RNS equation. This one. And based on this one we have drawn the graph also. And to this equation same equation, if I will take temperature, on temperature T1, what will be the equation? This is equation number 1 suppose. So what will be the equation 1? So on temperature T1 the equation 1 becomes ln K1 is equal to minus EA by R T1. The temperature changes into T1 plus log A. This one you take it as equation number 2. Next we have at temperature T2. At temperature T2 the equation 1. What it will be? ln K2 is equal to minus EA by R T2 plus log A. This is equation number 3. Okay. So two equation we have. This equation it is for the rate constants, two rate constants K1 and K2, and temperature is what? T1 and T2. So what we will do here? Subtract the equation number 3 from 2. Subtract the equation number 3 from 2. What we will get here? this log a it will get cancelled here, and we will get here ln k2 minus ln k1 is equal to, k2 means this value will come here, minus Ea divided by RT1 minus, again this is minus, so it becomes minus Ea by RT. Okay, so now this minus become plus, so it is what, minus Ea by RT1 plus Ea by RT2. This ln k2 minus ln k1, so it is converted into what, ln k2 by k1 according to the logarithm rules. Okay, ln a minus ln b means ln a by b, so we will get here ln k2 by k1, and here we have this Ea common, we have Ea by r, this is common, just take out, and inside what, or we rearrange this equation, we can write like this also. This is Ea by r t2 minus Ea by r t1. Okay, so Ea by this is t2 and this is t1. So here it is t2 and it is t1. This is t1 and this is t2. Okay. Please see here ln k2 minus ln k1. So it is Ea by r t2 minus Ea by r t1. Then it is minus Ea by r t2 plus Ea by r t1. Minus become plus here. So here we will get, rearrange this equation, what we will get here, Ea by RT1 minus Ea by RT2. So this Ea by R just take out, and these are common, just take out the bracket, and inside what it will come, 1 by T1 minus 1 by T2. This is what, ln K2 by K1. Okay. So this ln just convert into log 10 value. So what we get here, 2.303 log k2 by k1 is equal to Ea divided by r 1 upon t1 minus 1 upon t2. Okay, so again this 2.303 just take down here. So log k2 by k1, you can say it, yes, Ea divided by 2.303 r, this we can say t2 minus t1 divided by t1 t2. This is the final equation. So this equation is the final equation for RMS at two rate constant. If you have two rate constant, then the formula will be log k2 by k1 is equal to Ea by 2.303 r t2 minus t1 divided by t1 t2. This is the formula for having for two rate constant. If they give, then we can use this formula. Okay, so we have got this formula, log k2 by k1 is equal to Ea by 2.303 r t2 minus t1 by t1 t2. Based on this formula, they can ask many questions. In theory, compulsory for 3 marks question they will ask based on this one. So finally, what formula we got here? Log k2 by k1 is equal to Ea by 2.303 r t2 minus t1 divided by t1 t2. in theory they can ask question based on this formula. And so next video we will see about the problems based on this RNS equations. So many bits also there and questions are also there based on this RNS equation. I will solve you tomorrow. In tomorrow's class I will solve the problem based on this RNS equation. Okay, thanks for watching. Thank you. सर बंद करोगे? क्लिक करे तो होता नहीं है.